Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've accidentally deleted an important message or an entire chat, there's a good chance you still can get it back. Here's how to do it. First, open WhatsApp, then tap on settings, then tap on chat, and then click on the backup chat option. Then, if a backup exists, check the date of your last backup at the top. If a backup exists, now go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Long press on it, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. Then after that, go to the App Store or your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp and then reinstall it. Now, once you reinstall it, open it and verify your phone number like normal. And when it asks if you want to restore your chat history from backup, tap restore. Just wait for it to finish loading and all your deleted messages will come back exactly as they were there. Just remember, this only works if a backup was made before you deleted those messages. So, all you've got to do is uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it, restore from backup, your deleted messages come back just like that. Subscribe so you never lose an important chat.